We've all seen it, a blurry, shaky video with questionable audio somehow racking up millions of views. Meanwhile, a beautifully shot and edited masterpiece struggles to break a few thousand. It can be frustrating, especially for creators pouring their hearts into high-quality content. But here's the truth. In the wild world of online video, quality isn't everything. It's easy to assume that better production value automatically equals more views. But the reality is far more complex. While production quality matters, it's only one piece of the puzzle. What truly drives views, especially in the initial stages, is how effectively a video captures attention and sparks engagement. Think about it. Have you ever stumbled upon a low-quality video that was just so funny, relatable, or intriguing that you couldn't help but watch it to the end? Maybe even shared it with a friend? That's the power of raw, authentic content. It cuts through the noise and connects with viewers on a visceral level. This isn't to say that you should ditch your camera for your phone and embrace chaos, but it's a good reminder that sometimes a little imperfection can actually make your content more engaging. After all, people connect with people, not pixel-perfect productions. To understand why some videos go viral while others flop, we need to talk about algorithms. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram use complex algorithms to determine which videos get seen by more people. These algorithms are designed to keep users engaged and scrolling, and they prioritize content that generates high levels of interaction. What does this mean for creators? It means that likes, comments, shares, and watch time are your new best friends. The more engagement your video receives, the more likely it is to be surfaced to a wider audience. Think of it like this. Every time someone likes, comments, or shares your video, they're essentially giving it a vote of confidence. They're telling the algorithm, hey, this content is good, show it to more people. And the algorithm listens. This is why a seemingly bad video can outperform a polished one. If it resonates with viewers and sparks conversation, the algorithm will reward it regardless of its technical merits. We live in a world of short attention spans and endless scrolling. People are bombarded with content every second of the day. That's why grabbing attention quickly is crucial, especially on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Quick, digestible content, often humorous or relatable, tends to perform exceptionally well. These videos cut to the chase, delivering entertainment or information in a snappy, easily consumable format. They're perfect for those moments when viewers have a few spare seconds and are looking for a quick dose of entertainment. Think about the last time you watched a video that made you laugh out loud. Chances are it was short, to the point, and incredibly shareable. That's the power of quick content. It's not about sacrificing substance, but rather about delivering it in a way that captures attention and leaves viewers wanting more. Here's a secret. There's no magic formula for creating viral content. If there were, we'd all be internet sensations. However, there is one factor that significantly increases your chances of success: consistency. Algorithms love creators who consistently publish high-quality content. Why? Because it signals that you're a reliable source of entertainment or information. The more regularly you post, the more opportunities you have to engage your audience and attract new viewers. Consistency isn't just about pleasing the algorithm, it's about building a loyal following. When viewers know they can count on you for fresh content, they're more likely to stick around and become invested in your journey. Riding the trend wave, catch it while it's hot. Trends are the lifeblood of social media. They spread like wildfire, capturing attention and shaping online conversations. For creators, trends represent a golden opportunity to tap into existing interest and reach a wider audience. Jumping on a trend, whether it's a dance challenge, a meme format, or a viral sound, allows you to leverage its existing momentum. However, the key is to put your unique spin on it. Don't just replicate what's already been done. Bring your own creativity and personality to the table. Of course, not every trend will be a good fit for your brand or niche. The key is to be selective and choose trends that align with your content style and target audience. YouTube versus Instagram, different beasts, different strategies. While the principles of creating engaging video content remain relatively constant across platforms, it's important to understand the nuances of each platform. YouTube and Instagram, for example, have distinct audiences, algorithms, and content formats. YouTube is often seen as the home of long-form, search-driven content. Viewers often come to YouTube with a specific question in mind or a desire to learn something new. This makes SEO, or search engine optimization, crucial. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can increase the chances of your content appearing in relevant search results. Instagram, on the other hand, thrives on immediacy and visual storytelling. The platform's emphasis on short-form video and stories makes it ideal for quick attention-grabbing content. Hashtags play a crucial role in discovery, allowing users to find content related to their interests. Playing the long game. While chasing viral fame can be tempting, it's essential to remember that true success in the online video world is built on a foundation of long-term growth. This means focusing on strategies that will sustain your channel or profile over time, such as SEO optimization, hashtag research, and building a strong brand identity. SEO is all about making your content easily discoverable by search engines. For YouTube, this means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. For Instagram, it's about incorporating relevant hashtags into your captions and stories. Building a strong brand identity is equally important. This involves developing a consistent visual style, tone of voice, and overall message that resonates with your target audience. Think about what makes your content unique and what values you want to communicate to your viewers. Find your tribe, grow together. In the quest for views and subscribers, it's easy to lose sight of the most important element of online video community. Building a community around your content is about fostering genuine connections with your viewers and creating a space where they feel seen, heard, and valued. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Host live streams, Q&A sessions, or even meetups to connect with your followers on a more personal level. Remember, people are more likely to stick around and support creators they feel connected to. Section 9. Keep experimenting, stay patient. The journey to viral success. The world of online video is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. That's why it's essential to embrace experimentation, try new things, and be willing to adapt to the ever-changing landscape. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, try new content formats, or experiment with different platforms. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand what resonates with your audience and what doesn't. And finally, be patient. Building a successful online presence takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. You never know when that one video will take off and capture the internet's attention.